And now we'd like to introduce Giorgio Marinani, who is from International Association of Universities, France. And he will present his chapter, Global Collaboration for Global Solution in Academia, Opportunities and Challenges. Thank you for your 2-minute remarks.
Thank you very much. So when we wrote our chapter, me and my colleague Ekaterina Minaeva, we were looking at how the COVID-19 pandemic was affecting global cooperation. And what we saw also through a survey that we conducted at that time was that the COVID-19 pandemic was increasing inequality and amplifying existing inequalities in the world, and it was challenging global cooperation. And we saw a quite difference between, let's say, more developed country, more industrialized country, especially in terms of research, for instance, in terms of development of vaccine, in terms of distribution of COVID-19 vaccines. And what we saw more, let's say, a multiplication of efforts and creation of different type of research, but completely disconnected, so less cooperation at global level. And we were pointing out that this is not the way forward, because we are trying to build up, as International Association of University, a real global community of higher education institution. And what the COVID-19 shows is that global challenges need global solution, and it's not through national or a group of national efforts that problems will be solved for everybody. So the inequality problem is clearly the major one, which was evident from our research. And since then, the situation is even worse. If we see, I mean, for my co-writer is from Russia, okay? And from now on, the cooperation, because of geopolitical factors, is getting more complicated. So what we are seeing now is that governments are imposing more and more rules on higher education institutions with whom they should collaborate. And that's a trend that is threatening academic freedom and university independence. So we are seeing that global cooperation is needed now more than ever, and in the future we still have to work more at a global level in order to find solutions for global challenges.
Thank you so much, Dr. Marinani, for sharing your important chapter with us.